What up, YouTube? Today we're doing upper body. It's Monday. Last time I did a shoulder press, I did 45 for 9. So today I'm going to try move up to 50 and we'll see how we do. $11. That's not bad. All right, we're gonna do a second set. All right, we're done with that one. Next exercise is going to be a rear fly. Last time I did it, we did 200 for 10. Then we waited, rest pause, did 3. So I'm just going to stick with the 200, try to beat 10, and we'll try to beat 3. So let's see how we do. Seat's a little low. Yeah, it's a little harder. Ooh. Feeling weaker today on this. Maybe I didn't rest long enough after the shoulder press. All right, well, what we're gonna do, I'm probably gonna drink some water, rest a couple minutes, then try to hit it again. All right, let's try this again. So we did 9. Last week I did 3 on the second set, so we'll try to beat 3. All right, so last week I did 220 close grip, so we're gonna try 230. You got to figure out over that track, and you kind of connect you, and the distance over there.
if they did more things like that, I mean, they got really big.
So today's order's a little all over the place because there's more people in the gym. So normally I would like to do chest first, then back, and then like try thighs. But today I'm changing it up because of what's available. So I did shoulders first, back. I'll try to do this and then do flies. Hopefully by the time I finish this, cable machine will be open. But right now it's not. All right, so Friday I actually hit chest, and I did 220 for 15. I don't think I'm gonna beat that today, but we're gonna try maybe 235 for lower reps. So we'll mix it up today a little. See how it goes. All right.
It's been there like 30 years. I need some other things. Oh, you can. You are here now. Yeah, neither dogs that. You look. After you tired, yeah, anyway, he got more than his other old
Oh yeah. All right, so $235 for 8. My heart rate's up so high. I'm gonna wait several minutes. So today I'm gonna do a overhead tricep extension. Hadn't done these in a while. I guess you could say it's like a skull crusher. We're doing it with the easy bar. And right now this is just a warm-up set. Just to kind of see if it feels right. Which it does. I'll be honest, I have no clue how heavy I should go. I think last time I did this a long time ago was like maybe 80. I might go right below that. Feels pretty good though. So yeah, let's try a heavier weight. Actually, you know what? I might just try 60. because I'm already pretty depleted after those other exercises. Ooh. All right. Yeah, this is a good weight. So I'm probably gonna do 2 sets to hit failure. All right, second set. Ooh, that was awkward. All right, next exercise is going to be a preacher curl. Last time I did these was for 6. So even though this is at the end of the workout, I'm going to try to beat 6 reps. Now on these, I do not go all the way down. I don't want to hyperextend my arm. I go about halfway down and then go right back up. The way that looks is basically like this. Right there. 1, 2. All right. 9. Whew. Arms are definitely pumped. Oh my goodness. Heart rate's up. Let me let it go down before I jump into the next arm. All right. Let's see how we do. Oh man. Holy moly. All right, workout complete. Y'all don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know how your split's going. Are you trying to cut, bulk, Let me know in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next one.